To achieve a flawless base, we need to have the right product, but there are few techniques and steps that we need to follow in our makeup routine for a flawless coverage. Moisturizing is key to a flawless base. Moisturize enough no matter what skin type you are. You cannot be skipping this step. Choose the right primer for your skin type and focus on applying it to your T-zone as well as cheek area. Make sure you apply the primer really well by pressing it into your skin because primer holds your entire makeup on place by making it last longer. It is also base for your foundation because it smoothens out the wrinkles, fine line and pores on your skin. I like to go in with a concealer after my primer because the dark spots, dark circles and pigmentation can be hidden first. Make sure you work with less product and then build it up if required. Here I am using a concealer brush and I am blending my concealer. I'll make sure I apply it on my eyelid as well. Do not drag your brush in this way, it's a wrong method. Just blend it softly and you can see the difference. I like to go in with my concealer first because I feel it gives me a good coverage to the dark spots and pigmentation that I have. Then I can go ahead and use limited amount of foundation which will help my makeup look more natural and not cakey. After my concealer, I will go ahead with my foundation. I'm gonna dot it onto my face like this. Now I will be using a damp beauty blender. Taking the butt of the sponge, I'll start blending it in bouncing motion and not dragging. Make sure you do not drag the sponge. I like to use a beauty blender onto my face for foundation because I feel it gives me a very nice flawless natural coverage which I really like. So blender it is, but if you are a brush fan, you can definitely go ahead and use a makeup brush for your foundation. To set your face, you need a fluffy brush. Take very little amount of powder and dust off the excess. Now using the tip part of your blender, start removing your crease. Now with the help of the brush, just start setting your under eye. Make sure you do not take extra product because that will make your makeup look cakey. Now set the rest of your face with less product. Now I'm going ahead and I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. To know how to apply your blush, contour, highlight and do your eyebrows perfectly, do watch our IGTV. It's all there guys on Big Bazaar Beauty Ready page. Last and final step to achieve a flawless base is setting our face using a makeup fixer. I'm gonna spray it onto my face and with the help of a fan, I'm gonna dry this out. Just have patience and do not touch your face, let it dry out naturally. The makeup fixer helps to melt the excess powder that's on our face so that our makeup does not look cakey and also makes our makeup really long lasting. And that's it. Here's a flawless base for you guys. Just look at that. It looks so beautiful. Do try this out and let us know by tagging Big Bazaar Beauty Ready. Thank you so much for watching.